Hello, hello. Welcome to Angel Cooks, where love is the first ingredient. Today we cook with gratitude. Each ingredient is a messenger, each step a blessing. The zucchinis, sliced in half and hollowed into bowls, are vessels of giving. I thank them for teaching that when we make a space inside, we can hold more love. The olive oil, golden and pure, carries the light of peace. I thank it for wrapping every ingredient in protection. As I slice the onions, I honor the moments in life that bring tears. With each cut, I whisper, I'm sorry, please forgive me. I thank you, I love you. I thank the onions for teaching me that even sharp moments can release sweetness in the end. These tomatoes, ripe with joy, carry the sweetness and color of love itself. I thank them for the light they bring to this dish. The parsley speaks of renewal and fresh beginnings. As I chop, I thank it for the reminder that each day is a chance to start again. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I thank you, I love you. I add salt to honor truth, pepper to summon courage, and cinnamon to warm the spirit, thanking each one for its gift as it joins the pot. For the sauce, I begin with lemon juice for cleansing. The lemon is sunlight held in a fruit. It brightens whatever it touches. Then I add tahini for grounding. Then comes water, the gentle breeze that unites all flavors into one. Finally, garlic joins, the guardian of health, offering its quiet protection. I thank them for their gifts, and together they flow like harmony. This is a dish filled with gratitude, to nourish, to protect, and to remind us that every bite can be a blessing. This kitchen is always open. Angel Cooks.